Welcome back. It's the first full day of spring. We're down here at Jones Beach and we're going to see what's going on at the East Bathhouse. It sounds like they are going in heavy over here now. Let's take a peek, see what's going on. New addition framed up already. They put a higher fence up. I have to reach higher to get up to see over it. We got a whole bunch of new walls put up. I guess they've been busy here. They're busy repairing all the masonry work over there. That looks like it's all been repointed. And a whole lot of other stuff going on. Looks like an addition on the front of the old building there, or I have to look back in some of the other ones. Maybe it's a whole new steel structure in front. Lots of activity today. New cement walkway going in. They're busy pouring today. Truss is getting installed on the new building. They got this closed off over here too. Just trying to get around to the front of the building. Maybe we can get through the tunnel on the other side that may be open. Otherwise, we're not getting over there today. East side tunnel is reopened. Got some new wiring running over here. Let's see if we can get to the front without walking on the highway. On the electrical systems, and they are busy working over there today, so I'm not going to get over there. It looks like they're finally going to fix the lighting in this tunnel. Got some temporary lights going up here now. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the echo of the tunnel.